they were making an icebox turtle cake. And we need some caramel sauce, a little spoon, and this, and some whipped cream, and vanilla, and some this.
Graham crackers.
Graham crackers. And we can use, and icing sugar. And a banana bun container. You don't have to use one. You can use one if you want, but you can use any pan you want, but you could use.
It's easiest to make it in a loaf pan, right?
Yeah, because then if you make too much, it will go to waste. And also you want to make it small so you won't get unhealthy.
That's true. Okay, so our first step that we're gonna do for this recipe is to make whipped cream. So we're gonna make that using our whipping cream. So you're gonna need, it's whipping cream right now. We need to whip it to make the whipped cream, right?
No, it's whipped. Just forget that. It's whipped cream.
So you need 2 cups of whipping cream, and we're gonna open that up and we're gonna pour it into our bowl, okay?
Can I do that? Huh?
Like that. Okay? So you can pour the whole thing.
Milk? Is it milk?
Kind of like milk.
You
Pour the
drink
whole
it?
thing in there.
Whoa, look how it's filling. It's like going up and up and up. No.
Okay, so we're gonna start by mixing that together. So turn that on to about a medium speed,
What is that?
about a 4 or 5 right now.
There's only 4. Not 5.
Maybe a little bit higher.
6?
Yep. Okay, so once your whipping cream has been whipped to a soft peak, you can continue whipping it. You want it to get stiffer. We're going to add, though, a half a teaspoon of vanilla and a 1/3 of a cup of icing sugar to it, though. All right, so you can turn that back on.
To what?
To the same as it was before. Okay, how does it look?
It looks good.
Okay. So once you've made stiff peaks,
Oh,
it'll be nice and
it
thick
just came out in a blob.
like that. Okay, so we're gonna scoop this out and put it aside for now. Okay, so I'm gonna give another. So we're gonna put this in another bowl for the time being. Noah, can you open up the cream cheese package there?
What is
The box?
this?
Yep. So you're gonna want 1 package of cream cheese, or 8 ounces.
Cheese when we did that pizza. Did you?
Alright, and then you're gonna put that cream cheese in here.
Oh, this is weird. It looks like butter.
A little bit, kind of.
Butter, but it's cheese. It's like butter and cheese together.
Put it down for a sec.
It's butter and cheese together. It's blue.
No,
Ew.
just the bottom part's blue.
I want it to That's
Nice.
cool.
Dump that in there. Not with your hands,
Why?
because germs on it.
Oh.
There we go. So you're gonna wanna mix that
That's
until it's nice and
good.
creamy, and you're gonna mix it with some caramel sauce. We're gonna add a 1/3 of a cup.
Can you put a little on your finger?
Okay, so we'll pour that into our bowl.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's on the cream cheese. It's on the cream cheese.
Make sure it all gets out. Just scoop it out.
We should use the knife. Because I'm just going to get dirty.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix those 2 things together. So we'll turn it back on to a medium speed.
Look, it
On medium speed, please.
2.
4. Alright, so then when your cream cheese and your caramel is all mixed together.
Hey, this is how it looks together. It looks tastes like the cream cheese because you can't really see the caramel.
So then you're going to take your whipped cream mixture and pour it in there, and we're just going to stir it by hand, okay?
Stir it by hand. You want me to stir it with my hands?
By hand, not with your hands.
That means with the hand.
We're ready. You want to show them?
This.
You hold that? Okay.
This is how it will look like.
Our next step is we're going to take this mixture and we're going to layer it with our graham crackers into our loaf pan. So you're going to start with a layer
Mom,
of the whipped cream stuff.
I think I know what we can do with the graham crackers.
What?
We can put the whole ones all over there.
Okay, so you'll start with a scoop of this and you'll just want to cover your pan. I also lined the pan with saran wrap just so when it's...
We Mr. Odell to do that on April Fool's at school. We told him it was very important and then like he was walking and looking at the papers and then he just walked right through it. And he was like, what did I just walk through?
So you want to line your pan with saran wrap so that when we freeze this later and pull it out, then
it won't get stuck.
Yeah, exactly.
I think. Was that what you used? And then it won't get stuck. And stuck in the winter.
Alright, so you'll line the bottom of your pan like that. So we're going to open up.
Wait, I think I know what we're doing with the graham crackers. Are we just like putting the graham crackers on and then putting more of that in the graham crackers?
Yep.
We're just doing like a pattern?
We're going to layer it all up. So, you want to lay them in your pan. See, will the whole one fit there? No, not quite.
Oh no, it broke. It broke.
Okay, so just wait, because this won't fit there. So, okay, try that. Now that our final layer is on, it's going to look like this. We'll take our saran wrap and we'll cover it all up. And then you want to put it into the freezer for 4 hours. Okay?
But that is until night.
Well, it's for a while. So we're going to do it and we'll take it back out tomorrow and then we'll put our toppings on and we'll give it a try.
Hi everybody, today we're back with part 2 of our icebox cake. So we're gonna be topping it with some caramel sauce, and we did the caramel sauce with the other thing, and yeah, so and we're gonna topping it with caramel sauce again. Well, we didn't. And then we're gonna do it with chocolate sauce and Pecan?
Pecans.
Pecans pieces.
Alright.
Pecan pieces.
So, alright, this cake should be nice and frozen now.
We left it for 3 whole days.
So, it can slide right up because it's covered in our saran wrap,
Can I
right?
show them something? Look, you can see the graham crackers right here. Wait, they're mushy. Why are they mushy?
Alright, so now you're going to take your saran wrap off.
Oh yeah, that's cold. Feel it.
Like ice.
Yeah.
It's called an icebox cake.
No, but look.
So then,
It's like icing.
put it on our plate.
Oh
Flip it
yeah,
over.
that's
That off. Perfect.
good. Hey.
Or just leave it. Alright.
The bottom looks cool. Oh, the bottom is kind of melted.
Okay. So now we're going to take our icebox cake and we're going to top it with the caramel and the chocolate. So which one would you want to do? Chocolate or caramel?
I want to do chocolate.
Chocolate? Okay. So Mom's going to do the caramel first and I'll show you how we put it on and then you do the same with the chocolate.
Hey, I think I know what we should do. We should do like a little
If you go back and forth, kind of like that, it kind of covers
Oh, like
the whole cake. Right?
zigzag.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to do the caramel first, okay? And then you can
Okay.
go back over it with the chocolate and then we'll top it with our nuts, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, that looks cool.
And can you do the same with the
It's
chocolate?
on the sides.
Yep.
And it also goes there.
It runs
And then-
down the sides then. It covers the whole thing. Right?
Yeah, that's actually a good strategy.
Yeah.
Like then, like when you're going there, it'll like kind
That
of.
way when you cut it all up, you get a little bit of everything, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's see if you can do the same with the chocolate.
I like the idea of the
That was
plate.
Awesome.
Yeah, I like the idea of the plate because then we won't get that much on the counter.
Mm-hmm.
Like see, I just got a little here on the counter.
Yeah. Alright, so then you can put a few nuts on it.
I'm gonna sprinkle them.
Okay.
And you kind of want to space them out, right?
That way every piece gets a little bit, right?
Yeah, like we do on banana bread.
Yep.
We do that on banana bread. You guys might not put nuts, but I don't really like nuts on mine.
But I do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, some people like stuff and some people don't like the other stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's,
Put a little bit back there.
it's just, people aren't really that common, right?
That's right. Everybody likes their own thing, right?
Yeah, people,
Alright, so I'm gonna go get a knife and some plates now. So this is what our cake looks like.
yeah, that's a,
That look pretty good?
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm gonna give you a slice here.
Huh?
I'm gonna give you a slice to try.
Oh, you can hear the graham crackers. It was like, now use this knife to cut it. Hey,
Alright, I'll give you that
Can I
piece.
can I
You can see all your
can I do
graham
this?
crackers
Can I do
inside.
this one thing? Can I do this one thing with it?
Can't play with knives.
It's just the one thing for Mom. I've done this one a lot, remember?
Alright,
Oh,
let's
that's
give
why
it.
I got it.
Yeah. Alright, let's give it a try. Ready?
If you want to see what the graham cracker looks like, it kind of looks like brownish, kind of. Kind of looks weird. Yeah. So, this is what your cake will kind of look like cut up. And yeah, oh dang it.
It's okay.
Chocolate caught.
Chocolate sauce everywhere. Alright, you ready to give it a try?
Yeah.
We're gonna get a little bit of everything in there.
I don't have any nuts. Okay. I'm just gonna do this.
Like it?
Mhm.
Not pretty good. A perfect treat for a hot day.
Kind of tastes like ice cream.
A little bit like ice cream, right?
Yeah, I don't really like it, but pretty good.
Alright, should we go share with everybody else?
Yeah.
Alright. You say bye?
Bye.
Bye.